Hi guys, today I will show you one of my grandma's recipes. This will be delicious donuts which don't need kneading and you can easily make it in a couple minutes. I also added an extra ingredient which is apple, so the donuts are wetter. We are starting by adding 30 grams of fresh yeast to the bowl. Then I am adding 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 large eggs, and mix it with a spoon. When the consistency is less or more smooth, you can add 300 ml of milk, 430 grams of flour, and mix it. When you finish mixing all of the ingredients, our dough should look like this. And now add 2 apples and also mix it well. Now we let our dough rest for about half an hour, so the yeast will start working. And after that time I am heating the fat. I use almost 1 kilogram of lard, but you can also use normal oil. And the temperature of the fat should be something around 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. And now by using 2 spoons, I am forming the donuts. Some of them can flip by themselves, but if they don't, you can help it with a sushi stick. And now fry until it's golden brown and they are ready. And you can put the donuts on a paper towel so it will absorb some of the fat. And when they are freshly fried, you can sprinkle them with some powdered sugar or you can decorate with chocolate or some icing. My personal favorite way is just with powdered sugar and they are ready to eat. Let me know in the comments if your grandma also used to make something similar for you, and I also will be very happy if you subscribe my channel so you won't miss the new recipes. See you in the next video!